This is the PB26 petrol blower from 909. This is a quite a powerful little blower, mainly designed for use around the home to move leaves, grass clippings and other garden debris into piles for burning or to be mulched. Very handy also for cleaning paths, driveways and also verandas. The blower itself is a 26cc 2-stroke motor, so we need to mix oil with the petrol prior to use. The unit comes basically assembled except for the blow tube. So we have the main blower assembly, we have an upper tube and we also have a lower tube. We also supply a mixing bottle for mixing the fuel and the oil, and also an instruction manual, and also a small tube spanner for removing the spark plug if necessary. To assemble, it's straightforward. Probably the first thing to do is to clip the two upper and lower tubes together, which fit together like a bayonet fitting. There's 2 screws we use, which are supplied to hold these together so they don't come undone during use. So we'll just put those on. Like so. Now, similar to these 2 tubes joining together, this is the same as how it's put together on the main blower. We just locate it and then twist the 2 parts on. And again, we have a screw just to keep the 2 parts together. Like so. Now, to operate this blower, we're going to need unleaded petrol, preferably ethanol free. And we fill our mixing bottle to the level of 500. Now, we're mixing with the petrol a good quality 2-stroke oil at a ratio of 40:1. So we have a look at our mixing bottle, we fill it up to the 500 mils, and then we fill the rest of the container up to the 40:1 mark with oil. After adding the oil, give it a good mix. Now, the fuel is poured into the fuel tank. Like so. And replace the cap. Place it firmly. We're now ready to start the blower. The starting procedure is fairly straightforward. On the top we have an on-off switch. So we move the on-off switch to I. Press down I, meaning the unit is ready to start. There's also underneath a small bulb. We press this approximately 10 times. We should see, after 10 pumps on the bulb, we should see fuel running back down the clear tube. We then move the choke lever fully upwards to the choke position. It's now just a matter of pulling on the starter cord as shown. Now, if you're quick enough, what you can do is move the choke down when the unit starts. So I'm going to move it down slightly and then restart. We then slowly move the choke all the way down. Now, if the unit stops, right, we repeat. Move it back up onto the close to the choke position and restart. Slowly move the choke down to the run position. Then stop the blower. On switch at the top to the O position. When you've completely finished with the unit for the day, it's advisable to drain the tank of all fuel and also run the unit until it stops, draining the fuel completely out of the carburettor. Never point this unit at people while it's operating. The amount of force coming out is substantial, and we don't want to blow debris and that onto people and cause a safety hazard. This is the PB26 petrol blower from 909.